Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to this channel. My name is Larry Thomas. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe now. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about videography and photography, you guys. All right, on this particular video, we'll be talking about how do I prep for music videos. All right, guys, let's get right into it. All right, number one, I would say, see if the artists have a vision about this video. When they contact you and do our paperwork and stuff like that, be sure to make sure you to pick their brain to see what they want out of the music video, so you can make sure you please your client. And number two, I would say, listening to, as soon as you get that song, man, listen to that song over and over again. Because I'm gonna tell you something. I know I played it in my car. I was playing when I'm doing a music video. I played in my car. I played when I wake up, in the shower, bathtub, whatever the case may be. I will continue to play that song, because the more you play it, the more phrases and things you'll catch in the song. So you'll be able to act it out or show it some type of way in the video. So be mindful of it. Make sure you do that, man. Make sure you listen to that song over and over again, because you want to be the best you can, bring out the best vision that you can out of the video. All right, the next thing I would say, make a video treatment. What a video treatment is, it's just a list that's saying what kind of shots you want, just really displaying something that you really want. Something similar to what you want, because most of the time you're not going to get the exact look, but you just get a picture or find pictures of scenes that you want to mimic, or whatever the case may be, and it will help you stay on track as well, and let the crew see the vision you're trying to portray. All right, so the next thing I would say, number four, make a shot list. Be sure to make your shot list, man. That will make things go more smoother and more people will know, the crew will know how and when you're going to be shooting, and how and what you want out of that particular shot, so everybody can be intact, and what you got going on. Even the artist, you can tell the artist what kind of shots you're going to get, and what shot you're getting at a particular time. Keep people in the loop, keep people, let them know what's going on. Communication is the key, especially on movie sets and in music videos. Anything, communication is the key. All right. Next thing I would say, number five, hire crew members, man. There's a lot of people out there who will, do it for free just to get their name out there. So don't think you got to go get big time people that's prices are sky high, because if you doing, you may be doing a low budget video, and you might not have the money to pay them. So don't think you just have to go get those people that are very professional. You want professionals, but I'm just saying, don't get those people that are very high, and then it's gonna make you not have any money out the video. You're not making any money, or you're gonna not profit much, because you got to pay this person or that person. So hire crew members that they just want to get their name. Let them know that you're just doing it, you just need their help, and barter with them. See what you can do in the trade of them helping you. You feel me? That's what it's all about, man. Helping each other and helping each other grow. All right, the second one, I would say, number six, get extras if needed. A lot of people would do it for free, especially if they know the artist and want to be around the artist, and just if they love to dance, especially for dance video. You want some dancing in it. A lot of people just want to have fun, so it's a lot of people you can reach out to on Facebook groups and stuff like that. Instagram, they have these companies that will help you get extras. So be mindful of that, man, because you get the extras you need. Because the thing about extras, if you get people that extras, they're gonna be like really in a rush to go home, and especially they don't know what's going on. If it's their first time, they're gonna be like, what's going on? Why it's taking so long to do this and that? Because they don't know what all it entails, what music video shooting entails until they really get on set. They are, you know, they when they you contact them, they be like, oh, okay, yeah, I would love to be in the music video. But when they get there and they see what's all it takes and how much patience you got to have, they be like, oh, how much is gonna, and it's gonna really frustrate you because you want to get your shot, so you want to get to the shot where you need all the extras and stuff like that. And someone might go home just because they don't have the time, you know. But make sure you communicate that to them. Say it's gonna be an all-day shoot or something like that, just to let them know, you know, that the things might, you don't really know how long it's gonna take, but unless you just really got something simple, you know. But if you got a big music video shooting, you got a lot of shots to get, you're never gonna know, you know, how much time you can like guesstimate. But yeah, be sure to try to use them first if you can. Try to use the extras first, so you can, you know, get them out the way, and then just get all your performance shots and stuff like that. All right, number 7, I would say get locations. Make sure you get your locations. That's all gonna come out with your shot list. All that's gonna, you know, come hand in hand. Shot list, video treatment, all that stuff there. So especially when the location, you can find your locations from that video treatment. Just look and see, find something that's similar to what you want to portray on the video. So locations, there's a lot of locations you can shoot at where you don't have to have permits and stuff like that. So be sure to find that. And let me see, it's a site that you go on. I think it's Peerspace, Peerspace or something like that. You go on and you can find different areas you can shoot without a permit. I will try to make sure I say that, put that up here, what I'm talking about the locations. And number 8, last one, make sure you charge your batteries the night before. Make sure everything is working properly and stuff like that, because you don't want to get up the next day and nothing is charged. You don't want to get to the shoot and all your batteries are dead. You be like, okay, I can't even shoot anything. I had to charge my batteries, and that is not being professional. You want to be professional at all times, man, because you never know the next gig you might get from that gig. So be mindful of that, you guys. So that's how I prepare for a music video, you guys. If you guys are shooting music videos, be sure to drop a comment. Let me know some things. How you prep for a music video. But this is how I prep for a music video. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so at the time. I have a lot of things to give you guys, a lot of info to give you guys as I go, when I shoot, whatever videos I shoot, promos, commercial, whatever the case may be. I'm going to share it with you guys and share what I learned from, you know, that experience. And as I grow, I want you guys to grow with me. All right, be sure to like, guys, comment, share, whatever the case may be, man. Let's support each other, man. If you want me to support, follow your channel, drop it down in the comment. Let me know. You know, I don't mind subscribing to people, man. I don't mind. I'm not the one that subscribing and I unfollow. I don't have time to do that. If I'm going to subscribe to you, I'm going to be subscribed to you. All right, you guys. Until next time, God bless. Peace.